Welcome to the tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how to use this search bar template. To enter text into the search bar, locate the search bar composition in the After Effects timeline, click on it, then go to the Properties tab. In the Essential Properties panel, you'll find all available settings. Enter your desired phrase into the text field. The text will automatically appear in the search bar. As you can see, it's longer than the sample one, so we'll need to adjust a few things. You'll find the layer with the keyboard typing sound effect below. We need to match its length to the typing duration so it stays in sync with the visuals. To do this, move the end of the sound layer further to the right until it aligns with the entire typing sequence. Next, we have to shift the timing of the placeholder with the image or clip that shows up after the text is entered. We'll adjust the position of the placeholder composition, an image or video, so that the search result appears immediately after the phrase is entered in the search bar. Now, let's set the image that will appear after entering text in the search bar. To do this, expand the One Edit Comps folder in the Project panel and double-click on the Content Placeholder composition. This will open a composition where you can drag and drop videos, images, or create your own animations. Return to the final comp composition to preview the final result. On the timeline, there is a null object named Search Bar Position. It is used to move the search bar within the workspace. You can use it to animate the search bar's movement if needed. Now, let's move on to the rest of the settings in the Essential Properties panel. Under the text field, you'll find all the text settings. You can adjust the font type, its attributes, and size. Typing speed controls the speed at which characters are typed in the search bar. The numeric value you enter defines the time interval between each character. In this case, 0.05 seconds per character. Lower values will result in faster typing, while higher values will make the text appear more slowly. Let's set the value to 0.01 so the text types faster. As you can see, the text now appears much more quickly. So we need to adjust the keyboard typing sound. Trim the audio layer to end exactly when the last character appears. To make the sound match the faster typing speed, we'll speed it up. Use the time remap function and move the final keyframe earlier, which will accelerate the typing sound to stay in sync with the animation. As you can hear, the clicking sound is now much faster and fits the typing speed in the search bar better. In the next step, we'll do the same adjustment for slower typing, using a value of 0.1 seconds per character. The process is similar, but this time we'll extend the audio and slow it down to match the slower text input speed. I recommend adjusting the typing speed experimentally, so it syncs nicely with the appearance of the characters. If you want to change the background behind the search bar, go to the Project panel, expand One, Edit Comps, and open the composition Search Bar Background Placeholder. This composition controls the search bar's background. Additionally, the template includes 7 abstract animated backgrounds that you can use. After making your changes, return to the final comp composition. Let's return to the Essential Properties panel of our search bar. Here, you'll find the visual settings for the liquid glass effect. Glass roughness controls the roughness of the glass surface. Shadow intensity adjusts the strength of the shadow beneath the search bar, improving text readability on bright backgrounds. Bar contour opacity controls the visibility of the outline around the search bar, which enhances its shape on dark backgrounds. Edge refraction radius determines the roundness radius of the search bar's edges. Bar caustics adds the light caustic effect beneath the glass. Softness controls the softness of the light. Opacity adjusts the overall intensity of the lighting effect. That's everything you need to know about this template. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.